News alert. Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And the solar flux index just did a big jump of like 20 points. It's right now, or just recently, was 103. As I've been saying all along, until the solar flux index gets above 100, shortwave reception is going to be poor. Now, late last night when this was happening, I was listening to shortwave, and I was getting Spain loud and clear on shortwave. And the current sunspot number is 79. This has been like way down in the mud, and now it's like jumped up. Over here we have, and by the way, this is the WM7D website. It's WM7D.net. And I've showed you this website several times for solar information. So he's saying that the highs for cycle 25, we're talking about 11-year cycle when the solar flux index decreases and then increases. Well, we've been down in the toilet for a year and a half now. But solar cycle 25 was declared starting, I think, about a month ago. And he says that the high during this period from a month ago to now was 112. And that was, I think, about mid-November. And the sunspot count had a high of 124. Oh, there's the dates right there. Yep, here's the dates right here. September 9th, and then the 112 was October 28th. So if we come down here, it's got lots of information. You got to check this out. You can see that here is the sunspot number in blue and the solar flux in red. And look at that sunspot number. It was 0, and boom, 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 it went up. And so did the solar flux. So I don't know how long this is going to last. You can see, you know, these go up and they go down, go up, go down. I don't know how long it's going to last, but turn your radios on, dust them off, hook your antenna up, and listen to shortwave. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd like for you to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day. Bye-bye.